Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get more cats coin by just uploading cats image on this your cats mining platform. So guys, you're going to be getting daily cats coin by just uploading the image of any cat at all in this your mining platform. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. It's actually easy. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to get the image of any cat at all, and one way you can do that is to go over to your Google browser. You can go over to your browser, then you type in cats. You're going to see different images of cats. What you have to do is to download the one that you want, or you can either use any of these AI generation tool, any AI image generation tool like Meta AI, ChatGPT. You can use them to generate images of cats. Once you've gotten the image of the cat, then you're good to go. And also guys, in case you have a cat at home as a pet, you can actually take a picture of the cat as well using your camera. You can use your phone camera or any other camera that you have. So guys, whichever way that you want to do it, just get an image of a cat. So guys, now once you've gotten it, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see avatar. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Let me show you guys how you can actually upload this image and get rewards. You're going to get cat coin reward. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait a few seconds. So guys, now this is where you're going to upload the image of the cat. I've already gotten mine. So what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written upgrade cat. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll downward. So guys, now you can see where it is written tap to upload cat. That's where you need to upload the image. You can see the file format that is needed: PNG, JPG and JPEG. You can see the maximum size of the image that is needed, 5 MB. So make sure the image that you want to upload right here is no more than 5 MB. So let me tap on it now to upload. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see it has directed me to my gallery. So what I have to do now is to look for the image of the cat that I have. So let me get it real quick. So guys, now I've seen it right there. So let me tap on it to select it. So guys, now I've selected the image. So guys, now you can see AI is actually working on it. You can see AI is cooking. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Guys, I'm sorry, rain just started falling. I believe the sound is not going to be good as it stands now, but just bear with me. Rain just started falling right now. So guys, now let's just wait for this AI to keep working on our image. They're going to score us based on the quality of image that we actually uploaded. There are so many criteria they're going to use to score us, like the whisker of the cat, the hair of the cat, that means the fur. They're going to look into so many things that is going to determine the amount of cat coin they're going to be giving to us. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So make sure the image of the cat you're getting is actually good. Make sure the cat is looking good, the cat is healthy. If you get a cat if you get a cat that is not looking good, that is looking malnourished, you might be getting a low score. Wow guys, cannot see, this is the score I have got. You can see what's written there in Zane. You can see my cat's reward, 570 cat coin. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, and you can see the score that I got. You can see my score sheet. You can see the floor factor. I got 5/5. Then the what's that one? The second one is Meotherium. What's the meaning of that? I don't know what is the meaning of that. That one I got 5/5 as well. Then the next one is performance index. I don't know what that means. That one I got 1/5. Then the whisker points, which is that long hair in the nostril, in the nose area, I got 4/5. And the last one, which is the laser eye rating, that means the eye. You know, there's a way the cat's eye is designed. It's usually beautiful. You can see it's actually 4/5. I got them. So guys, now you can see what is actually being looked into before you are actually giving your reward. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually gain more cats coin by actually uploading cat's image on this mining platform. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.